In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draw curved trend lines in Tradingview using Brush tool. Curved trend lines are great for visualizing rounded moves in price, smoothing out choppy action, and highlighting arcs or bowls that straight lines can miss. I'll walk you through the exact tools to use and how to shape and style your curve so it's clear and easy to read. First, open your charts in Tradingview. Make sure you are on the symbol and time frame you want to analyze, so your curve lines up with the price action you care about. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the drawing toolbar. This is the vertical strip with geometric shape icons and drawing tools. Find the brush or line tool area near the top of that toolbar. It's usually the second or third icon from the top. Click the small arrow next to that icon to expand the full list of related tools. From that drop-down, select Curve. This is the tool designed to create smooth, bendable lines that follow the market's rounded paths. Now it's time to draw. Click once on the chart to set your first anchor point. This marks the start of your curve. Click a second point to create a simple straight line. Then move your cursor before placing the next point. As you move, you'll see the line begin to bend. Continue clicking to add more points wherever the price path turns. When you've reached the end of the move you want to capture, double-click to finish the curve. If you want more precision, take your time placing anchors at clear swing highs or lows. You can always adjust later, so don't worry about making it perfect on the first pass. To refine the shape, select the curve and look for the small circular control points. Click and drag these points to change the tension and curvature. Moving a point slightly can smooth out sharp kinks or emphasize a gradual turn, so make small, deliberate adjustments and watch how the entire line responds as you drag each handle. Finally, customize the look so it stands out on your chart. Right-click on the curve and choose Settings. Here, you can change the color to something that contrasts with your candles, increase or decrease the line width for visibility, and adjust transparency if you want a softer overlay that doesn't overwhelm your chart. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.